Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be covering the asset register setup. The asset register setup is the process of developing and maintaining a record or database containing accurate data about the assets owned and used by your company. For example, like equipment, vehicles, machinery, real estate, or furniture. The following needs to be set up before assets can be added into the system: locations, suppliers, manufacturers, asset groups, and asset types. You can complete the setup as seen here on the page. For further information regarding the setup, please refer to the guide link found in the description below. To get to the asset register, go to Workflow, Asset Register Functions, and then Asset Register. This is where you will see a list of all the assets that are controlled. Here you will be able to edit or change assets, remove or add more assets. To add an asset, click on the blue button seen here and fill in all the appropriate details seen on the pop-up screen. To view the asset details, click here on the green button. From this page, you can add more supplier details, asset details, documents, notes, and pictures. This concludes today's video on the asset register within DataTill. For any more details on the asset register setup, please refer to the guide found in the link below. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching. Until next time.